This video is a quick guide on cartridge maintenance. Low print quality is caused by many of the following reasons. 1. Clogged nozzles due to dry ink or external particles such as dust. 2. Physical damage such as scratches on nozzles. 3. Air has entered to the nozzles and stops nozzles from working. To avoid low print quality, the following simple maintenance procedures must be done. 1. Cleaning the nozzles. 2. Changing the printing nozzle row. Or 3. Removing the air from the nozzle. Cleaning the nozzles. Open the cleaning pad pack and gently wipe the nozzle rows. Note that the cleaning pad is disposable and should be used only once. If a cleaning pad is not available, wet lint-free cloth by MEK can be used. Changing the printing nozzle row. If after cleaning the print quality is not good, proceed to change the nozzle row from HX Manager /setting page /cartridge setting. Removing the air inside the cartridge. If switching the nozzle row did not improve the print quality, you need to remove the air inside the cartridge. Place the prime cap on the cartridge. At the bottom of the cartridge, put a clean syringe, 2 to 5 cc is recommended. Place the cartridge upright at 45 degrees. Pull the syringe's plunger slowly until almost 1 milliliter ink comes out. Remove the prime cap and clean the nozzles with lint-free cloth. Note, position the cartridge where the nozzles are facing up to release the air and not get trapped. Now insert the cartridge to the printer and check the print quality. For more information, please contact technical@maplejet.com.